prescriptions.
Prescriptions allow for variable rate control so that farmers can more precisely apply products at targeted rates. This video series will demonstrate prescription setup with the Pro 700 and IntelliView 4 display. You will see how to utilize prescriptions for proprietary implements, ISO implements, and how to utilize shapefile prescriptions. Before we demonstrate how to set up prescriptions in the display, let's first discuss some best practices. The first thing to keep in mind when preparing to utilize prescriptions is to ensure that the prescription is in the correct format. For field operations with implements that use proprietary product control, such as Early Riser planters, AccuControl, and IntelliRate, prescriptions will need to be written in the proprietary CNH format. For field operations with ISO implements, such as a Case IH disc drill, prescription will have to be written in an ISO XML format. Additionally, the Pro 700 and IntelliView 4 can utilize shapefile prescriptions for both proprietary and ISO implements. The ability to import shapefiles became available with software version 30.6 in the spring of 2016. You will see how to import and utilize shapefile prescriptions in the video series. Another best practice to keep in mind is data management. If a farmer has already created a grower-farm-field data hierarchy with boundaries and guidance lines, it is important to take care to ensure that prescriptions are assigned to that same data hierarchy. In order to accomplish this, the farmer will need to supply his or her USB to their agronomist that is creating the prescription. The agronomist can then load the farmer's CN1 data into their farm management information software and assign the prescriptions to the correct grower, farm, and field. This will allow the agronomist to export the prescriptions as well as the farmer's field boundaries and guidance lines in the same CN1 folder. Before a USB with the exported prescriptions are loaded to the display, it is important to ensure that all other data is deleted from the display through Data Management Delete. This will ensure that the data hierarchy is not duplicated. If this is not done, there may be a field name in the display that contains guidance lines and a separate but identical field name that contains the prescription. Now that we've discussed prescription best practices, let's have a look at setup in the display.